Hello aspirants, welcome to GDC classes. So here, I hope you already started your preparation for pharmacist exams like RRB pharmacist, a central government job, and CGHS, central government health scheme pharmacist job, and including statewide like Telangana and other state pharmacist exams also. And here, these are the two books which you help to crack competitive pharma exams like pharmacist, all types of pharmacists. So here one of the book is Pharmacist Fingertips Theory book, and the price you will get at 999 with offer. And the book is simply, it is a fully colored book based on the latest syllabus, highlighted key points, start shorts as well as summarized notes, student friendly pattern, and cover all syllabus. And it cover all syllabus. And when coming to the objective book, it is also color book and based on the latest syllabus, and nearly 6000 MCQs it contain, and 125 previous year MCQs also will be there, and subject wise as well as topic wise, and cover all syllabus. And with offer this you can get by 499 price. Yes, definitely these two books can help you to crack pharmacist exams, because still now many students are doing the same job and they already qualified and they already cracked them. And even along with books, if you want to join our classes, yes, you can contact me on this number 7995318103, especially the pharmacist classes in English language, especially for the South India students. Okay, and if you, this is the price of the books, and if you want to join the classes of the pharmacist English batch, yes, the price will be 3999 only. So along with books you will get live classes, live recorded classes, pre-recorded classes on the syllabus of pharmacist, and also you will get e-notes, and you also available, nothing but you are also eligible for pharmacist marathon, that is explanation of MCQs in detailed manner. So like this information, so subscribe to GDC English classes and come and join with us, because the competition is very high. But in this competition the many number of notifications are coming, like central pharmacist like RRB as well as central government health scheme pharmacist, and even UPSC also there is a chance of releasing of drug inspector. And within this 1 year you will get number of notification. So please be aware, please be focused, and start your preparation. And GDC is always with you to deliver content and to make to crack the competitive pharma exams. Okay, thank you, all the best. Subscribe to GDC English classes for more details and queries, and to join the classes to get the material. Yes, you can call me directly our GDC management, or you can call me on this number 7995318103. Okay, subscribe to GDC English classes. Thank you.